everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to save real audio from Reels on Instagram. So we are here on Instagram. So let's say I want to save this particular video, audio actually. You tap on this audio icon here. The next thing you do is tap on use audio. So okay, and you can only use the audio. Unfortunately, you cannot save it. You can only use it for your videos. It's as simple as that.